What's the temperature?
It's 44 degrees outside.
Oh man. The big bag. What? You got the fur? Yo, this is too baller. Oh, and the brown. Wow. I like this metal. I don't know what they call it, but that metal thing is like real classy. Damn. I like the brown a lot. I think the silver went first, but I think the brown's better. Damn, you got the black hoodie too? This print is sick. Wow. And coming with the camp cap. Alright, the red BOGO. That actually looks nice. And the yellow tee. This tee sold out fast. That is fire. Got the blue. Okay, so that's what it says. Paris, Tokyo, New York, London. This is all embroidered. Wow, this is crazy nice. I love the blue. The colors really pop. Got the jersey. I forgot what this is called, but what is it? The logo baseball jersey, looking pretty tight in person. Definitely got a lot of branding. I like the red. Oh man, the cream of the crop right here. What? This is too fire. I love how that's like got a stencil effect to it. What? Wow. And the belt. I copped the belt online. I can't wait to get it. The buckle's like a perfect size. I think this is fire. Look good with a suit too. The cologne can. Damn. This is sick. And then the glasses. What color we got? Got the blue tint on the back of the shade. Wow, that silver is fire. It's like a raw metal look. Supreme. Yeah, wow. These are sick.
Springs on the inside.
I like the construction of this. This looks like pretty diesel. This spring is like too cool. Wow. Damn. Got everything here. This tee is too dope though. In the medium, man, I'm jealous. I got the black one online.
But you able to get it?
Yeah, but this white one.
People's stuff was lagging. Everybody was in line trying to do their phone. I was like, dang, I'm never gonna do it on my phone.
All right, this is what a number 25 spot looks like. Copped everything, glasses, belt, tee, hoodie, the fur coat. Damn. Alright guys, I just got out of the store, so I'm gonna show you my pickups. I didn't do too bad for so late in the day. Black hoodie, the yellow tee. And then I grabbed the cap because I never have hats on my store online. And then I got the international long sleeve t-shirt. Then I got the tee in black, large. That's all they had left, but pretty good still. There's definitely a lot of these tees out there. The white ones went first, of course, but there's definitely a bunch. And then I got some stickers, but that's pretty much it. I think it was like pretty good. I didn't get much of the collab, unfortunately. Good thing we got it online, so I'm looking forward to getting that in the mail, and then I'll show you guys. But Yulia will probably grab another black tee, and I don't know, we'll see what else. So I'm gonna wait for her. She should be out soon. Yo, you on my turf right now?
Oh, hell yeah!
Yo, what?
Yes.
You see
it's
this?
It's gonna be a YouTube battle.
Hold on. What is going on here right now? What's your channel?
Peace New York. But
Peace New York.
Who's this?
At Gunner TIERNO. Hit me up. We out here every week. What's your name? Megan. Megan.
I don't know who this is.
Megan out here.
Hi.
We can't do this in front of the store though. We're gonna show Megan the ropes.
We're getting in trouble. We're like having to face over here.
That's right.
Because we need a permit, is what I was told.
Definitely need even more than a permit.
Oh really?
Yeah. Let's go down the block. Bye. Bye. So what happened? You get something?
No, they didn't have anything.
They ran out of the tees?
Yeah, I didn't. I mean, I asked for the tea. I didn't ask for that much stuff.
Yeah. Oh, but you went in?
I did one.
Oh, because I saw you when you were like in front of the line.
Yeah, I went in and then I went back.
Right out. Yeah, that was bad.
He's like, we don't have anything.
Oh, okay.
Do you want something else? I'm like, no, no.
All right. Well, let's go get some pizza. So you guys thought the vlog was over. It's not over. I got one more surprise, so let's go see it. What's up, my guy? We're back in Long Island. You see the drip? What up?
I remember you from YouTube. I was looking. I was like, yeah, you look very familiar.
That's what's up. Yeah, so I mean, I talked to you before, but if you want to like just say what happened, like, so you didn't get anything?
Yeah, man. Got 697. Last week I was number 3, but 697.
Damn, last week number 3.
Didn't get shit. So
you was in front of me.
I was?
Yeah, you was I was 641.
Oh yeah, I was 621. Yeah, that's right. Did you get a T?
Yeah,
you probably grabbed a black one, right? Large. Yeah, we were like the last ones to really get him.
You saw him like peeling it off, trying to see how many left over.
Yeah. So damn, you just missed it though. Like I thought, because my girl was like,
yeah,
you probably like. But next time.
Next week's Swarovski or something.
Yeah, that's where it counts.
We'll see what happens.
So we're up.